So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-register ng double giga story 75 sa ating smart and TNT SIM. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, pumunta lang tayo sa dial ng ating mobile phone. And dito guys sa dial lang natin is asterisk 123, number sign or hashtag, and then call. And then dito guys, piliin lang natin yung number 5 which is yung giga. So type natin yung number 5 and then tap send. And then piliin natin dito yung double giga plus. So type natin yung number 2 and then tap send. So ayan guys, dito naman ang pipiliin natin is yung stories. So yung number 2. Type number 2 and then send. And lastly guys, piliin na natin dito yung double giga story 75 which is yung number 1. So type natin yung number 1 and then tap send. And then guys, pag nag-register tayo ng double giga story 75, makakakuha tayo ng total of 9 gigabytes. Yung 2 gigabytes na stories araw-araw, total of 6 gigabytes na yun, plus meron pa siyang 3 gigabytes. Plus, only calls and texts for 3 days for only 75 pesos. So, para ma-subscribe guys or ma-register, type natin yung number 1 and then send. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-register ng double giga story 75 sa ating smart and TNT SIM. If you have a question, kindly comment down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.